Well, hello there. First off, I'd like to dedicate this video to a certain body shop in Columbus that called my Z unrepairable because we got a pretty big part in for it today. I got this here half cut. Well, I guess it's not a half cut even. It's like a quarter cut off of a Z from California. And we're going to try to replace the damaged section, which is right there, of my car, which may be easier said than done, with this bad boy. So, that body shop that said this car is unrepairable, here you go. Thanks for the extra motivation to get the car rebuilt to its former glory. Oh, and I also want to say, I got this from Sac City Nissan and Infinity out in California. If you need any Nissan or Infinity parts, I highly recommend going with them because they're super easy to work with, super great. Work the shipping and everything even on this big thing. Ship it freight here to Ohio and everything. So, but super great guys to work with. I worked with Joe, but I'm sure any of the people out there can help hook you up with any part you need for a Nissan or Infinity. So, not a sponsor, just a simple plug for them. So, as you can tell, different day, different location. May look familiar to you, Mark Lee Brother Racing headquarters. But anyway, here is the half cut in all its unwrapped glory. So, as you can tell, it's about a perfect unsmashed representation of my car, which is just absolutely creamed. You can see it from there, it's well documented. But anyway, I may not do too much work on this tonight, only because I think the wire to get this glass off of here is at my house, which is a good 40 minutes away from here where I'm currently at. So I'm gonna have to wait on that. But in the meantime, I do have some other things to do. So sorry this video was a short video. What I may end up doing next is calling the original frame shop guy that I need to get my Fly One Motorsports fenders painted at. Call him and see if he'll do all this transfer work for me. If not, I may call some other people. If they don't want to do it, I guess we're back to doing ourselves, DIY. So, but anyways, you see just the amount of work it would be. His dashboard have to come out. A whole bunch of stuff's going to come out to get this put on my car. So, but anyway, a lot of work, but definitely you can see the light at the end of the tunnel though. Once you get this replaced, that'll be about it. Get the fenders painted, get the hood back on, get the bumper for it, and a whole bunch of things. Oh, and on another note, I did find the farmer owner of this car up in Boston. I won't say his name or anything, protect his privacy, and I did figure out what happened to the car. So it looked like it was in a carpool accident, according to the Massachusetts crash report I pulled on it. So, well, that was interesting to find the old owner of this car and what actually happened to it. So, I don't know. Curiosity killed the cat, I guess. That's all I can say for that. So, oh, and also I didn't show it, but my half cut was strapped to this bad boy, this pallet, and then shipped to me via freight UPS. So it's always exciting when you get stuff on a pallet. So there's some pretty exciting news coming up. We are going to be running at Shady Bowl Speedway on September 29th in what they're calling the Beater Bash 300. So 300 laps in beater cars like my brother's Maxima here. So myself and Elias need to go pick up some new cars for this event to get ready for it. So I may be go looking at some cars at our local Copart tomorrow. There might be some potential candidates for this beater bash or beater 300. So, but anyway, sorry I didn't get any work done in this video. Hopefully next video will be a better update on the Z and what's going on with it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and keep doing it for Dale, you might say. Until next time, peace.